What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're just going to do a quick catch-up video, and I've got several reasons why. First and foremost, I just got into today, I really dove into all of my past footage and a collection of footage that I've shot, and I'm behind. The videos are kind of a mess. With work, with home, and with COVID happening, it kind of screwed me up, and it has been. So I apologize for not dropping regular videos. However, I do have the cat skin unboxing video. That thing is cut and going to be coming out this week. In addition to that video, I am going to be cutting together the front Bilstein suspension for the Silverado and a handful of the other install videos that I promised you guys. So I'm going to start cutting those. I'll do my best with it because I have some missing footage that I can't find. So we'll see what happens there. In addition to that, I've got a bunch of garage talks that I'm trying to piece together because for whatever reason I was using several different video types, but I'll get something going pretty quick here. My goal through the weekend here is to clean up all of the footage I have. First and foremost, just put it in files and get it ready for rendering and cutting and editing and all of that. So I'm super excited for that part. But you're not watching the Wrenched Out Garage to hear me talk about video editing and to hear me just kind of ramble on about my deficiencies in the video collection world. So I do have some super cool videos coming out that I think you guys are going to be excited to see, which include a whole bunch of new projects or sub projects or side projects or however you want to see it. So you're going to want to stay tuned for that. In addition to all of that stuff, something I wanted to talk about is the Bronco, the Ford freaking Bronco. So I saw this ad, I'm sure many of you saw as well, and how incredible was that? Now I'm not going to do a play-by-play or a complete breakdown of my thoughts at this time of the Bronco. I would like to do a video walking through my perspective of what's to come with the Bronco and then the market that it's targeting, which is obviously Jeep and much other. But out of the gate, I think the Bronco is an incredible looking vehicle with a lot of really cool features. My main concern with the Bronco is it over-promising and going to under-deliver as far as the accessories and all the parts, or are they really going to have that ample line and supply like they had said? We'll have to see what Ford is actually going to do, especially because of COVID and the supply chain issues and everything else. So I'm excited. In addition to that, the thing looks incredible. Interior and exterior, I feel like Ford knocked it out of the park. So much so that it brought me back to a previous thought I shared here on the Wrenched Out Garage, and that is Ford's place kind of in that truck market as Dodge's place is to the muscle car, with being highly successful with the Hellcat, being successful with the Charger, pushing the envelope there. Ford pushed it with the Raptor, and they're coming back super strong with the Bronco. And what's cool about the Bronco is it can fit different, definitely different lifestyles and different categories of people, depending on what you're looking for in the vehicle. Super excited to see them on the road once available to the public. I know that a lot of people had already put in for the first run on pre-orders, which you could do, I think, for like $100 or something. You could pre-order yours. I'm definitely interested. So much so that I would say I don't like first edition cars, especially new models with all these things. I don't like that. That's not my thing. Mostly because the company always learns so much from that first and second year versions of their vehicles, so they clean up a lot of the weird shit that comes out from consumers and from the factories for issues. So it's a twofold deal as far as I'm concerned. Do I want a limited edition first run Bronco? Absolutely. But for what I would like to do with it, which is turn it into what it should be, a high performance off-road vehicle that's capable of most things like the original, a tuned up original. I'm gonna wait it out a little bit and see what happens. So super stoked though. I do want to do a full video talking just about the Bronco. That's how excited I am for not only them bringing the Bronco back, but the way that they deployed the videos and the information and how they really are going after Jeep and how they're really going after this badass midsize SUV truck market that we continue to see grow. And competition in my mind is always good for the business. So now that that's out of the way, I do have a bunch of really cool things. In fact, I'm super excited to get you guys caught up to speed with where I'm at. So with that being said, we've got this week, we've got on Wednesday is the Catskin Silverado unboxing. Saturday I'll have a video ready for you. So that's 3 this week. I'll have another 3 next week. I'm going back to the 3 a week, so you can expect it. Normally Mondays and Saturdays will be garage talks for videos like this, and I will jump in and out of current stuff in combination with videos like these, where I can hopefully start talking about stuff like the Bronco and other things other than me just doing stuff. So with all of that being out there, you guys are getting more content from me, from the Rest Out Garage. Super stoked to be able to do that. We've got some badass projects and some cool and unique things happening that you guys will get to see here pretty quick as well. And on top of that, we've got a whole bunch of the old install videos. I'll finally be cutting those for you. It shouldn't have taken me that as long as it has, and I don't want to go rant or complain about any of this. However, I'm hopefully going to get all of the old content up to date, and then it'll all be just fresh content moving forward. That's kind of my goal over the next, probably 4 weeks, 5 weeks, is to just push it all out. I've got probably a dozen install videos that I just didn't throw together, and I need to. So with that, like I said, 3 videos a week. You guys are getting them soon. Thanks again. That's to kind of close this out. Thank you guys that are watching these videos. The channel's growing, and as I've said many times over, I do appreciate all the comments. We've been getting a lot of comments here on the videos. In fact, I may gear up and do another Q&A video. In addition to the Q&As and in addition to all of that, the viewership's growing, the views are growing, and everything else, and I am blown away by where we are today, where we were 6 months ago, and hopefully where we're going, because I would love nothing more than to grow this in a couple of different senses. One, grow it in the community sense, and I've said this over and over. I love being able to work on stuff. I also love being able to help you guys, because I get a bunch of help from forums. I'm not shy to say that I go into every kind of forum you could think of. I go to YouTube. I go to every avenue I can to try to source the information that's needed to fix vehicles, upgrade vehicles, and everything else. And it's important to me, and has been for the better part of my adult life, as the internet has provided, and I want to contribute. So there's a community part. The other part is, as this community grows, as the channel grows, it gives me the ability to do more. And the do more part isn't just adding more parts to the Silverado, but it allows me to become more creative, because this is all self-funded. The video cameras, the B-roll, the vehicles, and every little bit helps. So I do, and am an Amazon affiliate, so anytime that you see links down below, please hit those links. We just hit the 1,000 subscriber marker, which means I get to monetize. That's why you're seeing ads on the videos. That helps. And every little thing does, because I would love nothing more than to continue to reinvest that money into parts, into garage stuff, and it takes that. So thank you, more or less, is the point there. So let me wrap it up. Make sure, if you guys have not subscribed, do it. Hit the share button. Hit the like button. Drop us a comment. Stay tuned, because we, again, have some pretty cool stuff that we're going to be working on over more than just the next several months, over the next probably year, and stuff will change in addition to what you guys will get to see over the next week. So thank you, and if you're out riding or driving, do it safely, and I'll see you in the next video.